You are watching video recorded late last year of an NYPD detective's attempt to question a teenage boy in Brooklyn.
You have the right to remain silent.
The newly released video, obtained by the Legal Aid Society, is making the news now because of the allegedly deceptive practices the NYPD used to get the boy,
Are you going to answer any questions?
who's sitting next to his mother, to waive his Miranda rights, namely the right to remain silent.
Is it yes or no?
Yes or no?
No.
That should have been the end of it, the teen invoking his constitutional right to remain silent. But watch as the detective then pivots to the mother.
You want to ask him what happened?
Yeah, what happened?
I was in a store ordering my food.
That encounter was the subject of a virtual rally held Thursday to launch Right to Remain Silent, a new statewide campaign launched by a coalition of juvenile justice groups.
The right to remain silent has been reduced to an afterthought.
The overall aim, to push for the passage of a languishing state bill that would require children under the age of 18 to speak with an attorney before being questioned by police. Marty Feynman, director of juvenile justice training for the Legal Aid Society, says there is no substitution for having a lawyer present in the interrogation room.
The plan was to co-opt the parent, to take advantage of the parent.
They put me in a couple interrogation rooms.
Bronx resident Kwan Lanclos is talking about what happened to him 10 years ago when he was just 13, rounded up from his courtyard at the Webster Avenue housing development and brought in for questioning.
They were trying to get me to confess to someone throwing a rock at their vehicle. They didn't even know what it was. They just knew that they had a kid.
And did you ask for your parents or a lawyer?
All day long. They could not get me to say a word. Not a word, because it was nothing I did wrong.
Kwan says the police finally released him the next morning. He wants today's teens to have more protection than he did.
Somebody that can listen to the words that the cops are saying and understand what is being told to them.
We reached out to the NYPD for comment. The department believes that this bill is a major overstep. It sets a nearly unattainably high bar for questioning. The statement reads in part, quote, "While the bill may be well-intentioned, we believe that parents and guardians are in the best position to make decisions for their children." We are live in the Bronx tonight. Jay Dow, Pix 11 News.